again with another YouTube video. Right now I'm about to try something different here. Here is the Frontal. I already pre-styled it. Already bitch it, already fluffed, already styled. We about to go in.
But I was really happy to see it. She's so chill.
She is. She's smart for everything.
You can like actually sit her down for a second? What?
She just started
Really?
being okay with sitting down for
Okay.
a long time.
When she was a newborn, remember she was chill.
Yeah, that's true.
Y'all started holding her a lot.
And
But
it
y'all
was-
have to go. That time go by so fast.
Yeah.
You have to. You can't.
It's now she just started being chill again.
Like, okay.
So we kind of stopped. But she's still
That's
a
good.
bit.
Yeah, you just give it. You setting a routine for her.
Yeah. It's a little thing that you know you need me time too.
So how it feel to see your baby do this?
Blessing.
I know, right? Like, ain't not did that. I know it don't feel like an extension, like,
Yeah, of course. Like, wow, this is my DNA.
right? Like, oh my gosh. Yeah. So looking at her like, oh, this lineage, man. Like, wow. These birds,
So much joy.
man. That perfect name. It matches when you see her. Like,
Mhm.
yeah, yeah. I mean, heck,
Heaven sent.
Did I take everything?
So what I'm gonna do is remove this thick area here on the sides of the lace. I already did it on the other side. Let me show you guys. I already did it here. I removed that thick part already. So you see how flat it's going to lay down now, right? So it's very important to do that. Okay. And then doing the same thing here. I'm only doing that on the sides because it's not necessary to do the top, since the top is going to be hidden with the ponytail. See? It's very important you do this, especially because I'm going to have these little braids and all that parting being exposed. So you want to make sure that thick part is not going to be showing at all.
what is
So this is the part that we removed from the side. So now our ponytail is going to be flat on the side. And this is how you really achieve a flawless frontal ponytail without any bulkiness. Okay. So let's make sure this is in the middle. And because you don't have a forehead, so we have to be very careful before we lay this ponytail down. So we gotta make sure it's not too much on her face. I need you to pull your sides instead. Like forward. Yeah. Okay. You gotta make sure it's in the middle. Yeah, I think that's a good forehead coverage. We don't want it on her face. So what we're gonna do is stitch the back of the frontal. You're gonna stitch down because you do not want the thread to show. So now I'm going to take a little bit of the Got To Be glue gel. The yellow one is best. And I'm going to put it like this, in this area right here. I want it flat. I want to keep stitching and then have this bulkiness. So by doing this, it's just going to help the lace to lay flat. Then I'm going to see, it's going to be even more secure hold by the time I'm done with it. So now I can continue my stitching, but I'm not going to do it so close. I'm just barely stitching. You see the gaps, I'm taking gaps. See, I'm stitching on the inside. Okay. So this I could stitch close because this part is not going to be shown at all. And if you wanted to, you could have used the gel throughout the whole back. But because I'm going to be doing a lot of pulling, I feel like I still need to stitch just so my frontal do not move. But if you were doing just a regular ponytail without all the pulling and the braiding, you probably could have gotten away with just the gel. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to put the gel on the side. Like this. I already cut the lace. Whenever you cut your lace, make sure you're not cutting straight. Jagged type of cut, so that the lace is not straight, because if the lace is straight, she's gonna look like a square. So I'm using raw hole glue. I'm gonna put the link.
I wanted to give a special shout out to my glam team, my production team. This has been an amazing journey. Shout out to Lily's Touch. You know, you see the hair.